What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. In today's video I'll be reviewing a portable monitor by Intehill and showing you guys how it could be used in your trading setup. So the setup essentially consists of 3 devices, and those are the MacBook Air, iPad Pro and 4K portable monitor by Intehill. So as we are all familiar with the iPad Pro and MacBook Air, let's start by taking a look at the monitor. So first let's talk about the design and portability of the monitor. With its slim profile and lightweight design, this portable monitor is the perfect companion for your laptop. Its 13.4 inch display is the perfect size to be used as the primary display or extended display. You can easily slip this monitor into your bag and take it wherever you go. The monitor comes in an aluminium shell and is paired with a magnetic case and stand, which both feel premium and almost identical to the feel of an iPad Pro. Next, let's talk about one of my favourite things about this portable monitor, the display. This monitor features an impressive 4K display which delivers great visuals with sharp details and vibrant colours. Whether you are analysing charts, carrying out market research, or executing trades, this monitor's high resolution display ensures that you won't miss any critical information. The monitor has a max brightness of 500 nits, which makes the 4K display look that much sharper. Then of course you have the minimal bezels which make the display look even cleaner. When it comes to the ports on this monitor, Intehill has equipped us with versatile connectivity options, including USB-C, HDMI and mini display ports. This means you can easily connect to your laptop and use it as an extended display. Imagine having your trading platform on your laptop screen while using the extra display to monitor news feeds and other economic indicators. The monitor offers you the flexibility and space you need to stay on top of the markets. Now let's explore some examples of how a forex trader can maximize the potential of the monitor. Firstly, you can use it as a dedicated screen for chart analysis. With the display connected to your laptop, you can keep multiple currency pairs and technical indicators visible at once. This allows you to analyze trends, spot patterns and make informed trading decisions with ease. Another way to use the extra display is by using it for multitasking. For instance, you can have your trading platform open on your laptop screen while using the extra display to monitor economic calendars, live news feeds or financial websites. This dual screen setup keeps you well informed and saves you time, as you can quickly access the information you need without switching tabs or windows. Next, let's talk about how the monitor can be used with an iPad Pro. By connecting your iPad Pro to the monitor, you can transform your tablet into a powerful trading setup. You can use your iPad Pro as your primary screen for research, analysis or even executing trades, while using the monitor as an extended display for monitoring charts, news updates or other trading related tools. This dual screen setup offers you the flexibility to have a dedicated screen for different tasks, ultimately enhancing your trading efficiency. I personally feel that this monitor is better as a second display next to my MacBook, as all I need to do is simply connect one USB-C cable from my MacBook to the monitor. This setup is extremely easy and allows me to carry out more tasks at the same time. By using the monitor as an extended display, I can always have a chart open on one side and use the other display to carry out other essential tasks. However, if you just want to use the monitor for a small amount of time, I feel it's better to use with a laptop. Not only is this monitor great for trading sessions, it is also great for other tasks such as playing your favourite games or simply just consuming content. The 4K display on this monitor really makes it difficult to use any other display. Whether you want to do some light gaming and play something on the Switch like Mario, or maybe some more heavy gaming on the PS5, the monitor has no issues. However, of course, the monitor isn't a dedicated gaming monitor, so I wouldn't recommend using it for more competitive games, as the refresh rate is relatively slow. In addition, when connecting devices such as the PS5 or Switch, the monitor must be powered by a power adapter. To sum it up, the Intehill 4K portable monitor is a great monitor for forex traders who would like that extra flexibility when choosing where to trade. If you're someone who is always on the move, this setup will be perfect, as you can use the monitor at your desk and when you need to go somewhere you can simply pick up the monitor and take it with you. Also, I always stress how important it is to be able to see as much price history on your chart when carrying out your technical analysis. The more price history you can see, the more accurately you can identify trends and key levels. So having an extra display next to your laptop is only going to benefit your trading decisions. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. If you made it this far, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.